enjoy a classic heritage look when you're wearing this boot from Red Wing. This silhouette is made with a nubuck leather upper with that great red finish, with some stitched detailing across the front with that great mock toe. It is a Gore-Tex membrane design, using a gusseted tongue to keep out any debris, while wicking away on the inside to keep you feeling dry and secure. There's a easy corded style lace up with metal eyelets for a customizable and a secure fit. And the inside lining is made with a breathable mesh to keep it nice and cool. There's a comfortable foam footbed down there in the bottom, and it has a welt-stitched midsole made with a Goodyear style, making it very durable and strong, giving it a long lifespan. Underneath, it has a lightweight synthetic outsole that has lots of traction-y tread with a little bit of flex in the toe.